Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all another beautiful gele tutorial on how I was able to tie this gele on my client. Today is her wedding, and I'm quickly going to show you all how to tie your ruffled aso'oke. So the first thing I did was to fold the edges of the gele. Thereafter I went in with pleats. You can make 5-6 pleats as the base, or you can make 4, depends on what you want. So I made about 5-6, and then what you have to do next is to make sure that one hand of the gele is longer than the other hand of the gele. So the beauty of your aso'oke is actually your pleats. You need to make sure that they are neatly laid. So there's no particular rule on how to make your pleats. You could actually make them the way that you feel you are comfortable with. In this video I'm showing you guys how I make my pleats, and this is the most comfortable way for me. So you need to make sure that one hand of the gele is longer than the other hand of the gele. So I'm going to go with 70-30 today. So the short hand of the gele has to go right behind her ear. If you're going to form a V, it has to go right behind her ear like this. You can see that curve at the middle of her head right there. So the long part of the gele has to come on top her ear, and that is what is going to form the V in front. As simple as that. So I'm going to quickly make pleats. I'm going to make 5 or 6 pleats depending on what you did initially. So make 5 or 6 pleats. So after making the pleats, I'm going to pin it down, but you need to make sure that you trace them from her neck area and then towards the middle of her head, and then make sure that the V is properly laid. You need to make sure that the V is properly laid and it's as obvious as possible. So once you're done making the pleats, make sure that you carry the last pleat, bring it towards the front and pin it like this. So if you're going to make 5 pleats, make sure that you pick the 5th pleat, drag it towards the front like this and pin it, so that way it covers all the other pleats that you have made and it secures the gele properly. So right now we have equal hands of the gele. So at this point I'm quickly going to pick the aso'oke like this. You just need to make sure that you just play with the gele, and at the end of the day you see that it comes out still nice. So just need to make sure that you play with the gele. You're not just playing with it, you're also making sure that you're achieving something nice. So right now I'm going to hold the 2 hands of the aso'oke like this and pin it. So right now I'm going to move over to the other side of the gele and then start making pleats, and thereafter start making ruffles. So you need to make sure that your pins are properly hidden. You don't want it to be too obvious on the gele. You want to make sure that you have a very neat work. So you need to make sure that you hide your pins properly. So I'm just going to let you guys to enjoy the rest of the video. Please, if you've not hit the subscribe button, please do that. Like, share my videos. It's really going to help you to know how to tie gele, and also how to apply makeup on yourself and on clients, on anybody at all. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video.